part 3. Okay, trial and error, because it's been a while for me, and that thing wouldn't budge. I couldn't just give up because I paid a lot of money for this shit to not use it. Okay. Is that how it works? It has to. Why it's not working? I'm getting frustrated. What? Oh, okay. I don't know why it wasn't working. I'm trying here and it's getting dark. Damn. My coil. Come on, baby. There it is. Took one out. Oil in the coil. My car needs a lot of work. It's kind of difficult for me. And there's mucho oil in there. Shit. I know I'm gonna need some gasket, valve gasket covers or whatever. And then mucho oil. Shit. A lot of oil. Not a lot. Just dirty maybe. Am I exaggerating? Okay, whatever. I need some light. Okay. Shit, better go in there. Am I doing this? I don't even need this. Come on, baby. I should get the flashlight. My spark plug! My spark plug! Fuck. Pobrecito. I'm gonna need some valve head gasket covers real soon. There's mucho oil inside. Shit. Ta-da! Shit. Baby, you gotta last me a few more months until I go on my training over the road. I know people think that I'm not gonna go, but I'm fucking gonna get out of Dodge. You know me, I'm a penny pincher. I stretch my budget and cleaning this shit out. Fucking getting hot. The old one. Yes, I burped. I don't remember how it goes back in. Son of a bitch! Alright, so, yeah, this is the old coil. Okay, that's the old coil. Let's do the other one. That way. That way. Look, I don't have a lot of space here. I should have brought a little table. I was gonna bring a little table and I freaking didn't. Okay. I'm gonna remove the other coil. It's hard to, that won't come out. Come on, baby. Why are you stuck in there? Come out. You can't stay in there. Chingao. I say bad words, I'm sorry, but this shit doesn't want to come out. I had trouble last time. It didn't want to come out. There it is. It's coming out a little bit, but it's dark. I need help. I did it. I took it out. It was stuck in there. It didn't want to come out. It didn't want to come out. See? It didn't want to come out. I took it out. Ay, Dios santo. Okay. Now. I should have brought my little table. What am I missing? Let me see. I need space. Freaking space here. How's that? I think so. I can put the stuff down. Like that. All right. The spark plugs. The ratchet. I got it. I got it, baby. Baby, you got it. I took another screw out. I'm good at that. You better believe it. Nah. You can do anything once you set your mind to it. And here's the second coil. Damn it, the first one was stuck really hard. Look at the second coil. I got it out. Oh, wait a minute. Why did I gotta... It's a ding dong. I swear I'm a ding dong. Okay, baby. Oh, there it is. You're going back. I'm gonna replace the third coil. That's the one that was having the misfire. The third coil. Come back over here. I'm gonna put you babies right there. Ahí. You know? Can I blow inside? I'm so bad. No, I got oil in there. That's why I'm just trying to blow any of the debris out. It's getting dark for me over here. My daughter doesn't have her things like that. The lights are not coming on, and I need some light. Okay, I took the second coil out. Pinche aceite. Okay. Okay. Now for the spark plug. Ta-da! It's gonna go right in there. I'm gonna take that baby out. Come on, baby. I don't even need this shit. I don't know why I keep using it. I can do this by myself. I can take it out. See, there's a piece of leaf from the tree right here. I have no shit going in that hole. You can do it, baby. Yes, I can. Does it come out? Not yet. It's stuck in there. One, two. I need some oldies. That's what I need, some music. Orale! I took it out! Ugh. Mira. Look at that, baby. I took it out. See? I took the spark plug out. I'm just examining the spark plug because I hadn't changed them in 4 years, and I know I have a misfire on the third one, on the third coil. But I'm just checking. I'm so happy that I can do this by myself. I know I bitch a lot. Because, you know, baby, this is trial and error. Okay, so, you know, I ain't got nobody to do this for me. I'm not going to spend money on this chingadera, you know? Not bad. Okay. Here we go. What did I say? I said round 3, right? The guy tested them and he said they were already gapped. One. Wait a minute. I can't just throw it in there. We're gonna screw that baby in there again. Come on. Come on. Come on. I can do it because this shit. Oh, the light. I got light. Yeah, it's tight. I did it. Making sure it's in there. Yay! The spark plug's in there. Woohoo! Okay, what do I do next? The coil. I gotta put the coil back. And here it is, the coil. See the coil? Oil. The coil has oil. It shouldn't have oil, but it does. I already know I gotta replace the gasket valves, the head gasket valves, that rubber shit. In you go, baby. You gave me a hard time. Now we're gonna get that little screw, tying that shit up. I better hurry up, huh? Cause Facebook and TikTok's not gonna let me post anything so long. I have a tendency to talk a lot. Wait a minute. That's it? Mm-hmm. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Come on, baby. Cause I don't know. I don't have practice. You know. I don't do this for a living. But I tightened that screw. Ta-da! I did it. Now we're gonna put that coil right back in place. Ta-da! I did it. I better hurry up and do the other ones because I know that I'm running out of time. You know what? I shouldn't have did it right away. Fuck, I gotta do the other ones. Clean that shit up already. Okay. That spark plug. Now we're gonna do this spark plug. Don't forget. Fuck. There we go. Forget. Fuck. We're gonna throw that baby in there. Gently. You don't just want to shove it in there. It's gotta go gentle. Come on, baby. Do this by my hand. I'm good at my hands, you know. Yo calor, shit. I'm good at my hands, so I can do this better with my hands. Need some music over here. I don't got no music. Okay, now that it's in there snug, we're just gonna give it a little tight with this shit. this thing, this ratchet thing. I bought it 2 years ago. Thank God I did. It feels tight. It's tight. Ta-da! There's no spark plug, so I must have got the hole right. Okay, so now we're gonna put the coil back in there. What did I do with it? Oh yeah, here it is. Gentle. We don't want to shove it in there. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Can't just shove it. Can't just shove things inside a hole. You have to be gentle. I do it with my fingers, and then I use this thing again. A ver. ¿Dónde está? Shit. Here we go. Okay. I don't need this. Where's the little one? Here it is. The little one. It's snug in there. There it is. Tight. It's tight. Okay, now for the third one. The third one, I'm gonna use the brand new coil that I bought because let me see, here we go. Okay. What the heck? Okay. Oh, what the hell? Oh, here it goes. Take it out, baby. Take that little chingamaderas out. Take it out, take it out. Take it out, take it out. Running out of time, take it out. Ta-da! Little screws out. Take that little shit out. Now, we're gonna take the third coil out. Oh, wait a minute. This shit. Fuck. This shit. I almost forgot. Come on, baby. Here we go. It's stuck. Why? Well, you gotta be stuck in there. You can't stay in there. Dios santo. Come on, baby. Mm. There, you're out. Can't stay in that hole that long. Check it out. Ta-da! This is no good. Okay. A new one. Woohoo! Oh, I forgot. The spark plug. Shit, I'm anxious. Okay. Come on, baby. Here we go. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want some music. Oh, fucking music. Ready, ready, ready. Oh my God, her lights went out on me. Ta-da! Came out. I need some light. Check it out. There it is. See? There it is. There it is. There's the spark plug. Check it out. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. Jess? Did I do these right? Am I doing it right? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't clean the inside. I gotta make sure that baby, that hole is clean. Dry, it's clean. Woohoo! In you go into the hole. Ta-da! Wait a minute. Change position. Oh, wait a minute. Just do this. Once I feel that little, like it's tug in there, I can do it. Can you guys see me? Uh-oh. Oh my God. Come back to me. I need you. Shit. Don't leave me. I swear. I look dumb, but I'm not really that dumb. Just do dumb things sometimes. Okay, the spark plug's in there really nice and tight. I gotta change this position so you guys can have a better view. How's that? Is that better? You guys can see everything that I'm doing. Okay. I put the spark plug in there. So now I'm gonna put the coil. What did I do with it? The brand new coil that I bought. Okay. I did it good. Dios santo. In you go, sweetheart. In you go into that hole, nice and snug. And the little screw. Son of a biscuit. Wish I had fucking light. It's hard. All right, so we're gonna switch into the little 10mm one. Okay, almost done. I just got like what, one more to go. Okay. Damn light. I need you, baby, but come on. Tight. Yeah. There. You're in. Fudge. Okay. You're in. And tap, tap. Come on, baby. You're in. You were kind of hard to go in, but Mama got you in there. I should be done in like 2 minutes or less. I'm like, yeah. One spark plug left. To double check myself because these are hard to pull out. Come on, baby, why you do this to me? Please come out. You can't stay in there, and I'm fucking working in the dark here. Ay, Dios mío. Ay. This. You guys want to see what I'm struggling with? Okay, we're gonna go. This little thing right here. This. See? This? This thing. This thing. It doesn't want to come out. So I'm struggling with that. Okay. Come on, baby. I need a... I got it out. I got it out. Stay there. Son of a biscuit. Okay. We're gonna get this. Oh, shit. I'm all excited. I got excited. I forgot I gotta take this little screw out because it's late. Something's not right here. I need light. Okay, come on, baby. My legs hurt. My legs hurt so much. Come on, we're almost done. I have to remember to plug the battery. I took the battery out, the cable out. I took out the negative. Chingaderas, please come out. Oh, thank you. Okay. The fuck? I got stuck again. Why? I already had you out. Stay out. Shit. I swear I better not break. What the fuck? See, it's so dark here. And I can't. It's dark and I was pulling the wrong one out. Okay, sorry guys, sorry. It's dark and I fucking can't see. Come on out, baby. My fucking nails hurt. I know you're stuck in there. I took that shit out. Wow. This one is clean. This one is clean. Clean. Okay. Now we gotta get the spark plug out. In you go. Come on, baby. That's my last spark plug, you guys. That's my last spark plug. You guys can't even see me. Anybody? Any females in San Antonio need help changing their spark plugs? Hit me up. I'm very reasonable. I know how it is to struggle. Yay! I got it out. I swear I better not have messed up on the other spark plugs. In you go. Wait a minute. You don't need to do that until the end. Until the end. I know I've been recording a long time. Man, been recording a long time. I should have did it live, but no se pudo. In you go, baby. In you go. I should just... see what happens. They're not gonna let me post anything so long. Took me a while because it was like really the first time that I do the spark plugs with the coil. That's why. Light. I need light. Tight. Yay! Come on, baby. Please. Please go back inside where you belong. Oh, fuck. I dropped something. I see it. Come on, baby. You gotta go in there. This thing came off. It's important. We can't miss that. There we go. It's inside. Yes. Let's do the battery. I'm anxious because I've been recording for so long. Okay, the battery. The battery. The battery. tight. The battery is tight. Thank God. Okay. Let's see where my keys are. This shit better work. If I fuck up, I don't know what I did wrong.